So to summarize, going through all the tree indexes we've looked at, ISAM is a simple static tree structure. Only the leaf pages can be modified with insertions and with the addition of overflow pages if we do too many insertions. Now these overflow chains can degrade performance, and they can lead to even linear performance unless the size of the data set and the data distribution stay constant. And so ISAMs are not really very practical. The B plus tree is a more advanced dynamic tree that allows inserts and deletes to be efficient and leave the tree height balanced with a log base f of n cost, where n is the number of records and f is the fan out of the page. That high fan out f, as in the ISAM, means the depth is rarely more than 3 or 4 in practice. And building a B plus tree is almost always better than maintaining a sorted file. So when we talked about having a sorted file in our previous analysis, think instead these days of having a B plus tree where we can scan across the leaves to look at data in sorted order. In practice, after many inserts and deletes, B plus trees are usually about 2/3 full. So that's a fact to know. That's been shown in studies. And in general, B plus trees are almost always preferable to ISAMs because they adjust to growth gracefully. We learned about bulk loading, which can be much faster than repeated inserts when creating a B plus tree on a large data set. It's definitely a technique you would want to implement in practice. B plus trees are widely used. Almost every database system has them. They're very versatile. And in most systems, it's one of the most optimized components. People work very hard to make their B plus trees extremely efficient. An important technique in practice is also to make sure that your B plus trees can efficiently handle multiple people doing insertions, deletions, and search at the same time. This concurrency control is a topic we'll return to later in the course. Finally, in main memory databases, and even in some databases that store their data on disk, there's work to optimize the memory layout of the B plus tree pages that we haven't gone through in these lectures, but that in an implementation you'd want to think about carefully.